Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Sylvie, the crafty old lady. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. And today I have a very small Dollar Tree haul. This is what I was going for, and I was so thrilled that I finally found them. I looked over the whole store, and they were at the checkout. So I was really glad to find them on my way out. So I got one of each. I don't think I need more than one of each. I found this by the stickers. And it's like ivory colored cards and envelopes, which I thought were nice. They also had brown ones and black ones, or brown ones and white ones, sorry. So I just got the ivory ones. Then over by, like, in the front where they have, like, Halloween stuff, I found these rub-on decals. And I also found this 2-page cardstock, which I thought was really cute, and it is, you know, like cardstock. There's 2 of them. These are obviously bent a little bit here, which I didn't notice, but we could cut these out, or we could just use it as a background or whatever, but I think I might cut them apart. So we have that, and then the last thing I got were these twines, because I have all of these leaves, and I thought it might be fun to try to make a garland with them. Of course, I will have to be able to punch 2 holes in each one, and then put the thread through them. And I think, you know, I have all of these. I've used them in journals and all kinds of things, and I thought, why don't I try making a garland? So that's what I'm going to do. And that is everything that I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye-bye.